Alright, what's going on, everybody? Varsity Breaks back here with a special Saturday night breaking. I've been out of town, but I haven't been breaking for the last couple weeks, so I wanted to get something going, had some products, so pushed it to Saturday. So our first break of the evening, 2024 Topps Finest, our 4-box break. All your names and teams are up on the screen. I want to thank everyone for joining. As always, I truly appreciate the support. Before I get going, we'll do the eBay. If you click on the link in your description, you can go do some sweepstakes. I think that's actually, the whole sweepstakes thing is going to end on the 30th or the 31st of this month, and they're going to roll out some new program for us. So if you want to try to get some of those free cards, probably now is the best time to do it. And then lastly, if you're watching this video recording and don't want to watch me open up all the packs and boxes, you can go ahead and fast forward and I will do a recap of all of our autos, numbered stuff, SPs, and whatnot. So I have not had enough time really to dive into this product, so I don't know all of the SPs, but if we pull some inserts that don't look common, I think I know a couple of the inserts, but not all of them that might be short printed. So if anybody wants to help me with that, if I pull one, I'll try to make sure to sleeve and top load anything that looks like it's not, multiple per box or one in every box. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. All right, cool. Box one. I've not opened this stuff yet. So it's been out for over a week now. But I was gone all of this week. I feel like the camera's a little high. Hold on. There we go. A little different box this year. Less packs, I feel like, yeah. 6 packs and 10 cards per pack. Definitely different. That is brand new this year, I think. They don't have the 2 mini box, like 8 packs per box, per mini box, and then 4 cards per pack or whatever it was. So let's see how we do. Right there. All right. I'm going to start with a Jackson Merrill rookie. Oh, these are really, really different. Cool looking. Definitely different. Padres. Skubal. Luis Robert. Mountcastle. Murphy. A blue of Eloy Jimenez for the White Sox. It's our first parallel. 179 out of 200. That is Schramm. Let's see how I'm going to do this. There we go. All right, Zach Galoff, rookie X-Fractor. I always like the look of these. A's. Finest Timelines. Willie Mays. This is new. I don't know if those are common. A Rivals rookie of Junior Caminero. Die cut. That's cool. For the Rays. And then Victor Scott rookie. Sorry. Oh, they have uncommons again. Just to show you. Uncommons. Yeah. Alright, I'll sleeve all the uncommons. Okay. Alright, lots to unpack there in the first pack. Looks like the last card of every pack might be an uncommon. Alright, here we go. Colton Cowser. Bryant. Harper. Julio. Vlad Guerrero Jr. Refractor rookie of Jung-Hoo Lee. base refractor. That does say rare. There's a rare one. All right, X-Fractor of Christopher Morel. All right, so the timeless, finest timelines are not short print or anything. That is Nolan Ryan. We got an arrival, Nolan Chanel. Refractor. Does this one say refractor? No. So that is a refractor version, so I will sleeve that one. And the Johan Rojas is the uncommon for the Phillies. 90. All right. Cool. No autograph yet. Mike Trout, Corbin Carroll, rookie of Lawrence Butler, Luis Castillo, Alcantara. Oh, nice. Shota Imanaga, purple. Also to 200. Just 12 out of 200. Sorry, nice rookie there for the Cubs. And James Narth. I gotta look at that Eloy again. This looks like a black border. Oh, they're all black border. Never mind. Just noticed that. Well, not black border, but all right. Hold on. Nope. The blue is also to 200. All right. Nolan Jones. X-Fractor. Another rare one. I wonder if all the X-Fractors are real. First autograph's coming up to 99 after the finest timelines. It is a batter. It is a Jackson Holiday. There you go. 73 out of 99. Congrats to the Orioles. And your Green City Cards. Blue to 99. Man, they're changing up all the color and numbering on me this year. Huh. Dang. There we go. It's a good start. I didn't get my little... let me go get him. Yandy Diaz must be the uncommon, yeah. Give me 1 second. I'm going to go grab something real quick. I'll go faster through the next boxes. Don't worry. I know it's kind of not easy to see the card all the way back there. All right. Congrats. Again, to Green City Cards. All right, here we go. Seager. There's an Elly De La Cruz. Nice. Go for the Reds. And a nice Bobby Witt to 325, 232 of 325. Sort of light blue. I think my kids are downstairs scaring the crap out of my wife. So my wife screamed and my kid is laughing his face off. Alright, that's a nice Bobby Witt. Sal Frelick, rookie X-Fractor, and a baseball's finest Aaron Judge. That's cool. That's Brewers on the Frelick. Baseball's finest. That's probably just some random insert, but I am going to sleeve it because it is Aaron Judge. Luciano Arrivals and Spencer Steer. Uncommon. I wonder if those are like high numbered. The high numbered ones they used to have. Replaced them. Alright, here we go. Gunnar Henderson. Encarnacion Strand rookie. Refractor of Logan Webb. It's the base refractor. A Carlos Correa. That looks different. Why does that look different? It's not. Alright. X-Fractor. Finest timelines of Pirates. That's a nice Bobby Witt. Oh, Bill Mazeroski. Sorry. Witt Jr. 6 of 99. Future is so bright. Can't even read. Future so bright. That's a weird. This doesn't roll off the tongue very well. Out of 99. Witt. And Nico Horner uncommon. Give me 1 sec. Alright, sorry about that. Last pack of box 1. Should have an autograph here, right? Yes. Colt Keith rookie. Chung Ho Lee rookie. Son Otani. And a purple X-Fractor of Anthony Rizzo to 75. The Yankees. And D. Carter. David. So many parallels. Cards look good, though. Evan Carter, a rookie X-Fractor. X-Fractors all say, oh no, that says common. All right. Bobby Witt, Future is Bright insert. And a Cade Marlowe rookie autograph for the Mariners. It was 86 out of 125. Purple. Cade Marlowe. Mariners. Ramil 70. There you go. Alright. I don't know how this stands in boxes, but that seemed like a pretty good one. Acuna Jr. uncommon. Hold on. Give me 1 sec. I want to see how many rares we get. I'm going to put them in a separate pile just to keep track. Alright, box 2. Alright, I will definitely be going a little bit quicker for the rest of these boxes. Alright. Stick it together. Alright. Alright, to 250, Lane Thomas. 232 of 250 for the Nationals, and Corey Kimball 66. Ooh, there's some thunder. And a 49, JT Realmuto, blue X-Fractor. These are actually pretty nice looking. 11 out of 49 for the Phillies. And Poppy, I think that's supposed to be Poppy Tim's. I feel like that's supposed to be Poppy Tom's attic. Oh well, we know who it is. There you go. Ceddanne Rafaela Rivals, and uncommon of C.J. Abrams. Lawrence Butler rookie. There's no, that's not what I thought it was. There, Wyatt Langford rookie refractor. There you go, pretty nice for the Rangers. And BO7. Gunnar Henderson, baseball's finest Austin Riley refractor. Cool. And a Brandon Nimmo. Another Ellie De La Cruz. Nick Lofton, a Yordan Alvarez, 10 out of 150. So all the short printed stuffs, or lower numbered stuff, I should say, looks like it's X-Fractor. Joey Meneses, and a finest rookie, Pete Crow Armstrong. There's an autograph right behind it. Like there was some little scratching on the finest if you look right to the left of the F there. Pretty cool though. And then the autograph behind it is a Matt Mervis base autograph. Is not listed as a rookie. Oh, was he a rookie last year? I can't remember. That was for the Cubs. And the Cubs is James Narth. Corbin Burns. I don't know if these finest rookies are it's the first one we've gotten so far. Oops, that's not what I meant to do. Sorry. Alright. 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 Encarnacion Strand. Got a purple Yuri Perez. 232 out of 250 for the Marlins. That is Shram 99. Baseball's finest Sal Frelick rookie. Henry Davis, Arrivals, and a Jazz Chisholm common. Alright, 2 packs left. Box 2. I think something weird was in there. Alright, Colton Keith, Jung-Hoo Lee. Lots of Jung-Hoo Lee rookies. Nice Junior Caminero to 325. 92 out of 325 for the Rays. One for Corey. Come on. My gosh. Ooh. Struggling there. Alright, Brandon Nimmo Refractor. And a Mike Trout X-Fractor. There you go, that's cool. Angels. Oh my. Alright, Timeless. Sorry, Finest Timelines. I keep screwing that up. That looks like Clemente. Yep. Kyle Tucker. And uncommon of Matt Manning. Alright, last one. Should have an autograph in here. Frelick, Carter, rookies. Yamamoto, rookie. Sleeve it even though he's hurt. Yoshida, Masataka Yoshida, 1099. That is purple X-Fractor. Red Sox. Things for sale. It's a good eBay name. And we got another Bobby Witt, Future So Bright. And our autograph is Parker Meadows, base autograph. Tigers, and A. Coca. There you go. Alexander Canario, rookie uncommon. Yes. All right. All right. 2 boxes down, 2 boxes to go. Look, everyone. Alright, I think the autos were this pack and the bottom. So we'll do that, see if we can't get the autos at the end of the
end of the packs, or at the end of the boxes, excuse me. Curtis Mead, Zach Goloff, purple coming up, a rookie of Christian Encarnacion Strand. That's purple X-Fractor. That one's a 150, 66 of 150 for the Reds, and Corey Kimball. Corey. All right, we got a Corbin Carroll X-Fractor. Back-to-back X-Fractors. Not sure why that would have happened. Alex Bregman for the Astros. That one's an uncommon. I believe the Carroll was a common. Yes. So Jackson Holiday, and then we got a Arrivals, and then we got a green one of Zach Goloff. 65 of 75 for the A's. And Mike, 4356, who I tried to charge $600 for shipping. Again, sorry about that, Mike. There's something in here. Let's put that on the side. It's supposed to be $6. I was going too fast. And Zach Neto, uncommon. Not seen any more. So I didn't look at first. Seen any more rare ones yet. Those look like to be refractor versions. All right. I will definitely top load those rare ones if we don't get too many more. Justin Foscue, Noelvi Marte. Refractor of Devin Williams, I think. And a Wyatt Langford rookie finest. So that is not terribly uncommon. Refractor of Josh Young. Or, I'm sorry, refractor insert, Future So Bright. And a Jordan Lawler rookie, which must be uncommon. Nice. Nice one to get. Guy's got to stay healthy, but good player. All right. Couple more. Moments. Oh, that's nice. All right, I was wrong. There's some backwards cards in here. This is a weird box. Ryan Howard autograph. Moments. 6/27, 2007. I'm going to put it sleeve first. Congrats to the Phillies. And Poppy Tom's attic. It's not numbered, which is odd. I was going to say what happened in 2007. If he's in the red zone, 100th home run of his 325 career home run. What was this? 100th, commemorating his 100th home run. Cool. I guess I was wrong on those packs. 250, Joey Meneses. Nationals. Corey Kimball. Lawrence Butler, X-Fractor. The Jung-Hoo Lee is the backwards card. Just a rookie finest, although, oh yeah, it's based on the color of the team. Those Giants. Mason Wynn, Arrivals. And a Wilyer Abreu rookie uncommon. Alright. Maybe we got a bonus auto. So it's probably more likely that I didn't pick the right pack. So it must have been third from the bottom. Alright, Jordan Lawler, regular rookie. Refractor of Clayton Kershaw. X-Fractor of Luis Castillo for the Mariners. Another X-Fractor for the Rockies, Ezequiel Tovar. That one is the uncommon. Clayton Kershaw, Baseball's finest. Anthony Volpe, Future So Bright, and a Parker Meadows uncommon rookie. All right. 2 packs left. Probably an autograph in this pack. Doyle. Rookie of Nolan Chanel. Grayson Rodriguez, blue X-Fractor 65 out of 99. Orioles. And Green City Cards. Another Baseball's Finest Clayton Kershaw. I think that's the 3rd one of those we've gotten now. Finest Timeless of Roger Maris. Xander Bogaerts, Baseball's Finest. And our autograph is Jose Fermin for the Cardinals. Okay, autograph. I think this is a refractor. Yes, unnumbered refractor. So we got 2 numbered autographs. That felt weird. Oh, that's dirty. What the hell is in there? It's going in the garbage. 2 numbered autographs in our first box and have not gotten one since. There's a bunch of dust on this card. Cardinals, Akoka. And an uncommon Shohei Ohtani. Nice. Go for the Dodgers. And Dylan Newman. Alright, last pack. Tried to make this the autograph pack, but I think I missed. Out of 200, Zach Galoff, rookie. Stacking some Galoff numbered cards. 127 out of 200. Purple. A's is Mike. And our 3rd picture of Jordan Lawler, rookie X-Fractor, rare. There you go, rookie. Another Ohtani. Oh, we did get another autograph. An orange one, so that was a bonus auto. Andres Gimenez. Interesting player to have an autograph in this stuff. Not exactly the vet you'd be looking for, but there you go for the Guardians, Akoka. Orange, 20 out of 25. I'll put this finest Ohtani in there. And an Adley Rutschman uncommon. Alright, last box. Here we go. Would have been cool if it was like a Jose Ramirez or even, well, he probably doesn't have cards in there yet, so never mind. Alright, so if it was no, I think I was right. I think we just got a bonus autograph, so that's nice. Half a case and got a bonus auto. I'll take it. Alright, Heston Kjerstad, rookie. Looks like a refractor, but it's not. Caminero, rookie. Andy Rodriguez, rookie. And a Casey Schmidt, purple to 125. Giants. It's going to Sean Lawrence. Sean. Henry Davis. X-Fractor, rookie, uncommon for the Pirates. And Francisco Alvarez, Future So Bright, green out of 75. 48 out of 75. Like impossible to see with some of these. Oh, and our autograph right away, a Billy Williams autograph out of 10. That's cool. All right, hold on. Cubs. All right, congrats to James Narth. Black autograph, maybe? Background definitely looks a lot more gray and black than 6 out of 10. Cool. They're just mixing the autographs all around for me. And those kids are going absolutely bananas. There you go. Very nice. And an O'Neal Cruz uncommon. It's because we went to a 2-year-old's birthday party today and the kids had cake and ice cream. That's why they're acting this way at 6:30 at night. All right, here we go. A Dominic Canzone. There's our first Jackson Holiday base rookie. Common rookie to go with the autograph right here that you can't see. Jack Leiter rookie. All right, another Imanaga numbered 157 out of 250 for the Cubs. Man, Cubs stacking. James Narth. The other Imanaga was purple to 200. Justin Verlander. X-Fractor. Common. Rafael Devers, Baseball's Finest. Colton Cowser, Arrivals. And Julio Rodriguez, Uncommon. Uncommon. So far we've got 3 rares, I think, out of all these boxes. We got obviously a couple packs left to go on this one, but Pereira, Luciano, Imanaga base rookie. Wyatt Langford, base rookie. I think. That's a rare one. That might be a rare one for maybe they're 1 per box. I don't know why I put it in a... whatever. Gavin Williams, rookie for the Guardians. 36 out of 99. A blue X-Fractor. A Coca. X-Fractor Andres Jimenez. Common. Riley Green, Future So Bright, and a gold autograph of Alejandro Kirk for the Blue Jays. 47 out of 50. They have some interesting names in this stuff for the non-rookies. Outside of the legend one, our 2 non-rookies have been Andres Jimenez and Alejandro Kirk. I believe Kirk was a rookie a couple years ago, and Jimenez was a rookie 3 years ago. It's cool gold though, 47 out of 50. Is that both? Is that the 2 autographs for the box? 2, 4, 6, 8. Yeah. Jung-Hoo Lee, uncommon rookie. And Future So Bright, Riley Green. That was a base Future So Bright. Well, kept moving the autographs around, I guess. Henry Davis. Johnny DeLuca. Jackson Chourio is our first Chourio. Common. Curtis Mead, rookie. To 325 for the Rays. That is 190 out of 325. Rays is Corey Kimball. And 299, Lane Thomas, 5 out of 99. Purple X-Fractor for the Nats. And Corey. And I already ran out sleeves. I have another whole one of them right here. Just give me a hot second. Alright. Pete Alonso, Noelvi Marte Arrivals, and Junior Caminero. Uncommon rookie. Nice. Alright, these should have been autograph packs, but I don't think they're going to be. But you never know, I guess. Tony. Ceddanne Rafaela rookie. Rookie refractor of Henry Davis. Common. Jung-Hoo Lee. Whoa. Oh, we got a piece of a die cut here. There you go. Millions of dollars. Rookie. X-Fractor, common. Jung-Hoo Lee for the Giants. Finest rookies, Noah Chanel. Ooh, that's a nice looking card. I wish that was autographed. That'd be sick. That was Angels. Baseball's finest refractor, Juan Soto. That's cool. And an Austin Wells rookie uncommon. Alright, last pack. Probably won't have an autograph. Maybe we get lucky. Alright, here we go. Zach Remillard. Trey Cabbage. Oh, there's a Jason Dominguez. That's our first Dominguez. Rookie. Common. CJ Abrams, 10 out of 99. Blue X-Fractor for the Nationals. Another one there for Corey. Got a refractor here of Adolis Garcia. Uncommon refractor. So Bright Julio Rodriguez. And a Yoshinobu Yamamoto. Finest rookie. Vladimir Guerrero. Uncommon. And that, my friends, is going to do it for the break. All right. Not too shabby. I'm going to sleeve these, top load these rares. I think we got 4 of them. 1 per box. So. All right. Okay. Stick around. I'll do a recap real quick. If you'd like to, you don't have to. Yeah, it's okay, man. I'm sorry. No worries. I understand. Don't worry about it. I think someone picked them up. I put your name in there, and then before the break, and then because I think you've bought from me before, but don't worry about it. There were a couple numbered cards, but nothing major. 10. All right, there's our autographs. Numbered cards is what's going to take forever. Don't worry about it, though. Not a big deal. Hey, man, no problem, Jason. Don't worry about it. Like I said, not a big deal. If it was like a couple $100, I'd be, I don't want to say it'd be a different story, but don't stress it, man. Oh my gosh, this is going to take forever. 9, 2, 50, 75. So the greens are now to 75. 200, 125, 99, 325, 250, 150, 49, 250, 75, 99, 325. $200 and $200. Usually I can just tell by the color, but not this time. There's my 75s, 99s, 125, 150s, 200, 250, and 325. There we go. All right. Finally. Sheesh. All right. All right, everyone. Here's the recap from our 2024 Topps Finest 4-box break. Pretty nice stuff. Got some nice hits. I'll go through some of the better rookies we got. I should have organized these, but I didn't. So here we go. Actually, you know what I'll do real quick is just get the finest ones out separate. All right, the arrivals. Obviously, I did not do a great job of organizing these as I was breaking. All right, arrivals. Junior Caminero, Holiday, Jackson Holiday, and Mason Wynn. Those are the nicer ones. Here are all your finest rookies. Pete Crow Armstrong, Jung-Hoo Lee, Wyatt Langford, and Yoshinobu Yamamoto, and Nolan Chanel. All right, base rookies. Junior Caminero, that one was an uncommon. Jackson Merrill, Jackson Churio, Shota Imanaga, Jackson Holiday, Junior Caminero, that was the common one, and Yamamoto. So all those were common except for the first Caminero. Some of the nicer rookies and other nice non-numbered cards. Wyatt Langford rookie refractor. 2 Elly De La Cruz rookies. And Ohtani uncommon. Then some other, these are all the rare refractors. So these all say rare in the top right corner here. We've got 4 of them, I think 1 per box. Nolan Jones X-Fractor. Jung-Hoo Lee refractor. Jordan Lawler, Jung-Hoo Lee was a rookie. Jordan Lawler rookie X-Fractor. And a nice Wyatt Langford refractor. All right, numbered cards. There we go. All right, to 325, Bobby Witt, rookie of Junior Caminero, rookie of Curtis Mead. To 250, Lane Thomas, Yuri Perez, Joey Meneses, and a rookie of Shota Imanaga. To 200, Eloy Jimenez, and a rookie of Shota Imanaga, and a rookie of Zach Galoff. To 150, X-Fractor of Christian Encarnacion Strand, rookie. To 150, Yordan Alvarez, and to 125, Casey Schmidt. All right, and to 99 or less, this is Future So Bright, Bobby Witt, to 99. Masataka Yoshida to 99 for the Red Sox. Grayson Rodriguez, X-Fractor. Gavin Williams, X-Fractor to 99, rookie. Lane Thomas, X-Fractor, 99. And X-Fractor, C.J. Abrams, 99. X-Fractor to 75, Anthony Rizzo. To 75, Arrivals Green, Zach Galoff. To 75, oh my gosh, Francisco Alvarez, Future So Bright Green. And to 49, X-Fractor Blue of JT Realmuto. All right. Autographs. We got 1 bonus autograph. So there were 9 total autographs in this break. Base autograph, rookie Parker Meadows. Matt Mervis base. Jose Fermin refractor rookie. So we got 2 regular base autos. And then the rest were either refractors, inserts, or numbered. Fermin for the Cardinals rookie. We had a Finest Moments Ryan Howard autograph for the Phillies. All right, on to the colored numbered stuff. To 125, Cade Marlowe purple rookie autograph for the Mariners. Gold Alejandro Kirk autograph for the Blue Jays. That is 47 out of 50. Then a orange auto, 20 out of 25 of Andres Gimenez for the Guardians. And then a really nice Billy Williams black autograph, 6 out of 10 for the Cubs. And then what I'd say is our big rookie autograph of the break, Jackson Holiday, 73 of 99 blue autograph for the Orioles. And that's going to do it, everybody. Thanks again for joining. Until next time, peace.